Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is go to your home screen or home page, then just tap on an empty blank point on any page. After that, tap and hold on any app that you want to transfer to a folder. Let's say I want to transfer this app. Then just hover it to another app that you want it to be with. Let's say I want it to be with this Samu app, and also I want this one to be here also. Tap and hold on it here. Once that's done, there's an option to change the name. So let's say I want to change it to shopping, and as you can see, it will automatically change it. And once you're done, just tap on the done option at the top right corner. As you can see, it will automatically be done just like so. And that's basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps for each more people. See you on the next one.